fixing can't be displayed on Telegram is quick and easy. I'll walk you through the STS buffers. Hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me. Thanks, guys. Now, if you're in the Telegram app and maybe a group or channel can't be displayed, or you tap on a conversation and it just says a message can't be displayed, you can always fix that, but you can't do it in the app itself. You need to hop out of here and open up a web browser instead. So, from that web browser, we're going to go to web.telegram.org and hit go from here. You need to log in to your Telegram account. So just enter in the phone number and the code and log in after you've done that. We're going to tap on the three lines at the top left. And then we're going to tap on settings here, and we're going to scroll down, and we're going to choose the third option, privacy and security. From here, all we need to do is scroll down, and you can see sensitive content. All I need to do is toggle on disable filtering of that sensitive content. And then after we've done that, you can see I can open up Telegram. You might need to close out of the app completely and open it up again to reinitiate or update those settings. But then you should be able to go into any various conversation or group and see all of the content, and you're good to go.